Wauchula traffic, Kallithea gyro, taxiing runway 36, Wauchula.
F1, be safe.
Hello everybody. Those of you who have visited Bensen Days in Wauchula, Florida would know that there are two factory showcase events, one held on Thursday and the other one on Saturday at noon. This footage shows my participation on Saturday. Please enjoy the video, and if you like what you see, give us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave comments.
Okay. Come on, oil. Alright, we have the run-up is done. Before leaving the Garmin iPad, off-white, radio. Radio is set, transponder is set, seat belts are good, headset, personal gear, door looks good. Fuel pump 2 is on. Landing nav lights we have them as needed, compressor is on. Throttle brake release, pin release, I get it. Wauchula traffic, Kallithea gyro taking runway 36 for demonstration. Wauchula. All right.
New traffic.
Cowboy traffic 6478 Tango is about 5 miles to the southwest. Can be entering right traffic 14 South Lakeland.
Manatee County traffic, Navy on 46 Hotel is right downwind for runway 7, full stop, Manatee.
White House traffic, Charlie Romeo Oscar. We're 3 miles east of the airport. We'll be entering downwind for 09 Pine Shallows in about 2 minutes.
Port copter, we have factory showcase on. Stay clear runway, clear land.
Southwest traffic 647 Tango 45 right now, right traffic 14 South Lakeland.
New traffic.
All right, Peter, give us one more.
All right, one more down.
One more. South Lake traffic 786. Right downwind 14.
All right, coming in for full stop.
Yellow Eagle, rolling to taxiway, runway 18.
You can take Alpha 2 there, Francis. Go ahead and go down, Peter.
Wauchula traffic, Nicky Gyro, clear of the active Wauchula.